Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to alter the wallpaper of your Windows desktop. First, let's find the perfect wallpaper for your desktop. You can use any image you like, whether it's a photo from your camera or a picture you found online. Just make sure it's safe on your computer. Now let's change that background. Right click on your desktop and then from that menu, select personalize. A window will open with various options. Now, click on the background and choose picture. And you have an option here to browse for an image. So after that, you need to select the image you want to use. Click on it and then select choose picture. And then let's check right now if it's already been changed. And that's it. You now know how to alter the wallpaper of your Windows desktop. It's a quick and easy way to personalize your computer and make it feel more like your own. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Remember, you can change your wallpaper as often as you like to keep your desktop fresh and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials like this. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to alter the wallpaper of your Windows desktop. See you on my next video.